Tips and tricks for when sewing with fleece. Fleece is a fabric made from synthetic fibres and used to make clothing, accessories, and other sewing projects. Fleece is a knit fabric and can be cut without fraying, which means you don't need to overlock the edges of your work, as it won't unravel. This makes it perfect for no-sew projects such as blankets. The right and wrong side of the fabric can be hard to tell as the difference is subtle. On printed fleece, the design will appear crisper on the right side of the fabric. On plain coloured fleece, it can be harder to tell, so cut a small strip of the fabric and pull across the grain. The fabric will curl towards the wrong side of the fabric. You can also use a washable pen to mark the wrong side of the fabric when sewing a garment or project to avoid any confusion. Fleece is a directional fabric, which means it has a nap. When cutting out your fabric pieces, be sure to lay out your pattern pieces all facing one way, usually with a downward nap. We recommend these sewing machine settings when sewing with fleece. A sharp needle or ballpoint needle works best. Use a walking foot so the fleece doesn't move when you're sewing, or you can reduce the tension on the presser foot. Polyester thread will accommodate the give of the fabric. Increase your stitch length. For seams that need to stretch, use a small zigzag stitch. Ensure you reduce your tension. You don't need to overlock edges as fleece won't unravel, although the edges do tend to curl. Happy sewing!